How to fix a sagging bumper on a Silverado. Now, I've seen a bunch of solutions including rods, hangers, taking the bumper off, you name it. I just fixed one side and this is all the tools I used. Jack stand and a 2x4. Now the other side was worse than this, but I didn't record it. Now this is the bracket that you're looking for. You can get to it from the front of the wheel or just go under the car, wedge it in front of this bracket and start lifting. Now, since the metal is going to flex back after you lower it, jack it some more than you would think you need to. You're going to lower it back down. Bumper's going to start sagging again. And just repeat the procedure 3, 4, 5, 6 times, however much you need, until you get it nice and even. Looks pretty good. Like I said, the other side was sagging way worse, at a much bigger angle. And this is where we are. Good enough. Cheers.